Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. So welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to send Bitcoin from your PayPal account to another crypto wallet. Whether you're transferring Bitcoin to your personal wallet, sending it to a friend, or moving it to another exchange, this guide will walk you through every step from start to finish. Everything you'll see in this tutorial is beginner friendly. So even if you've never sent cryptocurrency before, you'll be able to follow along. So let's get started. Now we have here step one. You need to open the PayPal app or website. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your PayPal application. If not, you need to update it. So, first, launch the PayPal application on your smartphone or visit paypal.com using your preferred web browser. Now, sign in using your email address and, of course, your password. If you have two factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your PayPal home screen. Step 2, make sure your crypto is available. So before sending Bitcoin, verify that your account supports cryptocurrency because not every country has access to PayPal crypto like in my country. So availability depends on your region. If your account supports crypto, you will see a section labeled as the following: crypto, finances, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Now you have to tap or click it to continue. If you don't see this section, your account may not currently support cryptocurrency transfers, so you need to wait for that or maybe ask to their customer service. Step 3, you need to open your Bitcoin holdings. Now, if it's available inside the crypto section, you will see the cryptocurrencies you own. So you have to select Bitcoin. Now, once you tap Bitcoin and that Bitcoin holdings, this opens your Bitcoin portfolio where you will find current Bitcoin balance, current market value, price chart, buy, sell, send, and receive. Since we're transferring Bitcoin, you have to choose the option send. Now, step 4, you have to verify your identity if required. If this is your first crypto transfer, PayPal may ask you to complete identity verification. So, this may include confirming your personal information, uploading a government issued ID, verifying your phone number, completing security verification. So, all you have to do follow the prompts until verification is complete. This helps your account secure and complies with financial regulations. Now we have here step 5, preparing the receiving wallet. So before sending any Bitcoin, open the wallet that will receive your funds. So this could be another PayPal account that accepts crypto, hardware wallet, a software wallet, a crypto exchange wallet. So you have to locate your Bitcoin receiving address. You should see that. So if you don't know what is the Bitcoin receiving address, basically it usually begins with BC131. Most wallets provide copy address or QR code, so it would be easier for you. Just copy the wallet address carefully or just download the QR code. Now, step 6, you need to paste the wallet address. So you have to return to PayPal. In the Send Bitcoin screen, paste the receiving Bitcoin address into the wallet address field. So if you're using your phone, you can also scan the wallet's QR code instead of pasting the address manually. Take your time there. Okay, so Bitcoin transactions cannot usually be reversed after they are confirmed, so you have to do it manually and carefully. Always double check the address before continuing. Step 7, verify the wallet address. So PayPal may automatically recognize the address format. Compare the first few characters and the last few characters. With the address shown in the receiving wallet, even one incorrect character could result in sending your Bitcoin to the wrong wallet. Never rely on memory. Always compare the addresses carefully. Now, step 8, Enter the amount to send. So next, choose how much Bitcoin you'd like to send. You can usually enter a Bitcoin amount or its value in your local currency. As your PayPal or as you type, PayPal automatically calculates the conversion. Be sure to leave enough Bitcoin in your account to cover any applicable network fees. Step 9, review and network fees. Before confirming the transaction, PayPal displays important details including Bitcoin amount, recipient wallet, estimated blockchain network fee, total amount being sent. Network fees are not controlled by PayPal. They depend on Bitcoin, blockchain activity, and may change over time. So you have to review everything carefully before moving forward. Step 10, confirm the transfers. Right? If everything looks correct, you just have to simply tap or click next or continue. You will see one confirmation screen. So you have to review wallet address, amount, fees, total. If everything is accurate, select send now or confirm. PayPal may ask you to enter your password, verify with Face ID, use fingerprint authentication, enter a security code, and complete the verification. So after that, you have to wait for blockchain confirmation, verify the Bitcoin arrive. So you have to basically, or you should see eventually incoming Bitcoin, pending confirmation, and confirm transaction. So as a conclusion, that's how to send Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.